In this video I will rank these altcoins about how high is the potential for the top of the bull run. The crypto market is bullish and pumping to the upside and Bitcoin is about $63,000. So the bull run is starting right now and what coins have what potential. The total crypto market cap is rising to the upside and the market cap of the altcoins have a lot of potential to the upside. They are lagging behind the whole crypto market and the chances high that we will see much higher prices for the altcoins in the near future. Before we're starting with the video, if you want to buy or trade these different cryptocurrencies, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies and with using my link you get up to $5,150 bonus. You'll find the link for BingX in the description. So guys, let's start with the content and I'm starting with Bitcoin and I put it at unsure because the price of Bitcoin is about $63,000. And if you would buy Bitcoin right now, I'm not sure if we are reaching 5x this bull run from these prices. I think a price about $100,000 to $150,000 is very realistic for this bull run peak for Bitcoin. But of course, if you bought Bitcoin even lower than these prices, then of course Bitcoin could be about 5x or 10x, it depends on your entry. But if we are just looking at the prices right now, I put it at unsure and I think a 3x is very realistic. The next coin is Algorand and I put it at 10x. As you can see, Algorand is still in an accumulation phase. And I think a market cap of $20 billion for the peak of the bull run is realistic. Of course, the potential could be even higher, but 25x would be too much for Algorand in my opinion. Next coin is Arbitrum and I would also put it at 10x. I think it's a very interesting project, but we are at near the all-time highs of Arbitrum. And we already have a market cap of 2.5 billion. That's why I put it at 10x. But of course, if you bought Arbitrum at this prices right here at around $1, then I would put it at 25x, but to the prices right now, it's a 10x for me. Next coin is Avalanche and I put it at unsure because Avalanche is a great project, but we already have a market cap of $16 billion. And I think a market cap of around $40 to $50 billion is the maximum for Avalanche. That's why I put it right here. I think a 3x from these prices right now is realistic, but more would be difficult for this bull run. Next coin is Jasmy and I would put it at 10x because we are right now seeing this massive pump for Jasmy, but I'm not the biggest fan of this coin. Of course, the circulating supply of 100% is great, but I think maximum a $10 billion market cap for Jasmy is realistic. That's why I put it at 10x. The next coin is Casper and I would put it at 25x. I think it's a great project and we have still just a market cap of $500 million. And I think Casper has a great potential. The next coin is Flux and I would put it at 50x. I think it's a great project with a very nice potential. We are right now seeing this breakout out of this consolidation and I think we will see much higher prices at the peak of the bull run for Flux. Next project is Solana and I would put it at 5x. Solana is one of the best performing altcoins in the whole crypto market, but we already have a market cap of $60 billion. That's why I put it at 5x, but I'm a big fan of Solana. The next coin is HBAR and I would put it at 10x. We are already seeing this breakout out of this consolidation. We have a market cap of $4 billion and I think 10x is very realistic for the next bull run. Next coin is Filecoin and I would put it at 5x. I think it's a good project, but I think a maximum of 20 billion market cap is realistic. That's why I put it at 5x. The next coin is Cardano and I would put it at 5x. It's one of the biggest projects in the crypto space and I think a potential of 5x is very realistic. The next coin is Elrond and I would put it at 25x. It's one of my favorite projects and I think the potential to the upside is there. That's why I put it at 25x. About XRP, I'm unsure. I think we have a potential for XRP, but I'm not sure if we are reaching 5x for this bull run. That's why I put it at unsure. The next project is ICP and I would put it at 10x. I think ICP is a great solid project and I think a 10x is realistic. The next project is Cardano and I would put it at 25x. It's a really nice project with a lot of potential to the upside and we just have a market cap of $350 million. And we are still in this consolidation, so I think it's a really nice project to buy right now. Next coin is Render Token and I would put it at 10x. We are already seeing an all-time high for Render, which is really bullish. And I think it's one of the most promising AI coins in the whole space. So I think it would be a solid 10x. For me, Quant is also a solid 10x. From the prices right now, I think it's very realistic. Gala, I'm not too sure about, but I would put it at 5 or 10x. I just put it at 5x. Of course, we have a lot of potential, but I'm not too sure about this project. That's why I put it at 5x. Dogecoin I'm not a big fan of, so I put it at unsure. Chainlink is one of my favorite projects, but it's a big project right now, so I put it at 5x. For me, it's a solid 5x. Let's see if we keep increasing and see even higher prices. The same for Matic, it's a great project, but it's already a big project, so 5x is very realistic. Same for Ethereum. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. Of course, 2 to 3x is way more realistic, but I can also imagine that we are seeing a 5x from the prices right now. Injective is a very interesting project. I would put it at 5x as well. It's really bullish right now, and I think the potential to the upside is even higher than the prices right now. The same for Polkadot. I think the potential of 10x is also there, but I would put it at 5x. I'm a big fan of VeChain. I would put it at 10x. We are right now breaking out of this accumulation and the potential to the upside is there. I would put Uniswap at 5x as well. The platform Uniswap is very nice, and I think a potential of 5x is very realistic. About BNB, I'm not too sure, so I put it at unsure. I'm a big fan of Near Protocol, that's why I put it at 10x. It's a really nice project and we have a lot of potential to the upside, and we are right now breaking out of this consolidation. I'm also really bullish on Rose, that's why I put it at 10x. It's a solid project and we just have a market cap of $1 billion. I think Cosmos would be a 5x. And the last coin I'm picking for today is Casper, and I would put it at 25x. For me, Casper is one of the best projects in the whole crypto space. Of course, 25x from these prices right now would be very much, but I think Casper is an amazing project and 10x is really realistic, but I think the chance is also high that we could see 25x for this coin. So guys, this is my altcoin tier list for 2024. Of course guys, this is just my opinion on these different cryptocurrencies. Of course, we have more coins here in the top 100 list, so I don't think that we have 100x potentials at these coins. But if enough money comes into the crypto market and the mass adoption is increasing, then of course the chance that we could see much higher prices for the altcoins is there. I also made many price predictions on these different cryptocurrencies, so check it out on my channel if you are interested in it. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like this special altcoins, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, if you want me to make more crypto altcoin tier lists, then write it down in the comments. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.